Let us guide you through 9 game-changing hacks that promise a more efficient, cleaner, and happier home. Cleaning a home is essential, but there are ways to make it less strenuous. Avoid repeatedly cleaning your sink taps with just a candle. Rub the candle on your stainless steel taps, buff in the wax, and watch as the water flows off of it swiftly. No more watermarks. Clean fans without ladders and back pains from extra stretches with extendable cleaning tools like this duster. You can customize the length to easily dust off any areas. If you stock up on hand sanitizers in the recent years, use them to remove stains on walls. This hack works great, especially if you have little hands running around with markers and crayons. The hardest part about cleaning a window are these tracks. Use the window grill as a guide to draw lines. Cut where the line is to create openings like this. Now you can easily remove dirt out of those narrow areas. Stains in microwaves? Mix 1 cup vinegar and 1 cup of water. Microwave for 5 minutes. The steam from the mixture will help to make wiping off the gunk easier. Cleaning sofas can be hard and tiring because of its large surface. Wrap a pot lid with a cleaning rag. Lets you clean sofas twice as fast. Stop letting your waste plastic sink into the bin. Paste a hook on the side of your bin and hook your plastic over it. Secured. Of course, besides cleaning, a way to keep your house neat and tidy is by having your things well kept and organized. For example, keeping your labels straight. Place the tape across your containers like this. When you're pasting the label, use the tape as a guide so that each label will align with every container, making it look extra neat. If wires from your appliances make your countertops look messy, keep them tangle-free by using cord organizers. Works for any appliances. We hope you found these hacks useful. A little goes a long way. Leave a comment below if you know any smart home hacks. Thanks for watching!